Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the taskbar on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to right click anywhere on your taskbar. So right click anywhere on your taskbar and then click on taskbar settings, which is going to open this taskbar settings window. And then here you just need to scroll down where it says taskbar behavior. So just expand this list, and here you will be able to see this option which says automatically hide the taskbar. So I'm going to just check this checkbox, and as soon as I do this, you can see my taskbar is no longer visible. Now when this automatically hide taskbar option is enabled, you need to go and hover here at the bottom in order to view your taskbar. So when you hover here at the bottom, then the taskbar will appear automatically, and then when you just hover anywhere else, your taskbar will be hidden, right? So once again I will hover at the bottom and you can see my taskbar is again visible. And if you want to disable this setting, then you can once again uncheck this checkbox. Now let's say somehow you don't see this right click taskbar settings option. You can reach to the same taskbar settings option using the settings app also. So I'm going to just search for settings here, and you will see the result, settings app. Just click on it. Here you just need to click on personalize and then scroll down where it says taskbar, and click on the taskbar, and you will reach to the taskbar settings once again, right? Here you can once again uncheck this checkbox. This is going to make your taskbar permanently visible here, right? So this is how you can hide your taskbar on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.